Have you ever had a crush on someone? I saw my crush on my mobile phone for the first time, and since then I have had a crush on him. I never thought that I would ever seen him in real life and standing right in front of me. Then I reached 12th grade on 30 January. I saw my crush in person for the first time. My eyes couldn't believe it. He stayed at our school for about 30 minutes, and the whole time he was there, I just kept looking at him. I didn't look at anyone else. I couldn't believe that he was really there, and then he left. That I felt this was the first time and the last time I would ever see him. I didn't think I would ever get the chance to meet him again. Then our 12th grade exam were over and I scored 75%. A laptop distribution ceremony was organized. That day we got late because our vehicle broke down. But when we reached there, I found out that my crush was there too. Once again, I just kept looking at him, but he didn't stay for long, only about 15 to 20 minutes, and then he left. I tried to take a photo with him, but he had already gone. I felt so sad when I got home, and I cried for a long time. I felt very small, like I felt like wasn't me meant for him. I felt like something was missing in me. Like he's very handsome and very rich guy, and like I'm not be like him. Like after that, life went on, but somehow I never forget him. Like sometimes I would randomly remember that moments and smile. Sometimes I would wonder what if I had talked to him, and like what if I had taken just one photo with him, and what if I had taken just one photo with him. But I guess some moments are meant to stay only as memories. Slowly I realized that having a crush doesn't always mean you have to be with that person, right? Sometimes it's just about the happens you feel because they exist. And honestly, I'm grateful that I got to see him in real life, even if it was only for a few minutes. Today, whenever I think about that day, I don't cry anymore. Instead, I smile because that memory become a beautiful part of my life. Maybe I'll never meet him again, or maybe one day life will surprise me. But until then, this story will not not only a story. This is really happen, okay, and will always stay close to my heart.